know, but it's not loading. So Wi-Fi is bugging me.
Hey, do me a favor, just come down here. That kid earlier that was all wise when he was coming in, he's might have an issue with him. All right.
But it's not, I don't know if my Wi-Fi works. It's not going through.
Well, it's not going through, so you gotta
That's
re-ring
what I
it.
just said. Don't get smart. Don't get, I just said that.
You work
I just said
here,
that.
right?
Yeah.
I just said that. I
Okay,
said it's not
you
working.
work here,
Me and
right?
her already discussed it. I don't need you to get smart about it. She's just trying to help me. That's what I just said to you.
So listen, you work here,
I
right?
don't work in this store. I work in North Haven.
Okay, the same thing. Okay.
Same difference. What's your point? I just said it's not
I
working.
need to-
She's trying to help me. What's your point?
But if you know that you didn't
I
pay,
didn't
how
know
can
it
you
didn't go
walk
through.
walk
I'm
through?
trying to check on my phone. That's what I just
What
said
is
to
your
you.
name?
That's what I just said to you. You not understand what I'm saying to you?
You said, oh,
You not understand what I said to you?
So listen, you got to walk this way. You got to walk this way, okay? I need you to walk this way.
I'm trying to purchase my stuff.
Okay, you passed the point of sale station.
I didn't put in anything. I thought it went through. It did not. So I'm trying to bring it back up on my phone. She just trying to help me. That's what
Okay,
I said to her.
we're going to walk this way. We're going to step out of line.
I'm still buying my stuff.
Okay, you're not buying your stuff anymore.
I'm buying my stuff. You want to stop me from buying my stuff?
Okay, now I am going to stop
You
you.
want to stop me from buying my stuff that I'm trying to pay for?
I'm going to. Okay.
Why?
Because I have the
Why?
I have the legal right to.
Why?
Okay, I have.
Why
the
you
legal...
want to stop me from buying? First of all, you're within 6 feet of my space. I'm trying to figure out why. I'm trying to figure out why you stopped me from
Can I
buying
get
my
a
stuff.
unit to Wal-Mart?
I don't care what you call a unit. I'm trying to buy my stuff. My app didn't work. I'm trying to correct that.
Okay.
Now you telling me I can't correct it.
So,
You tell me I can't correct it. I'm trying to figure out why. She just tried to help me. It didn't work. I'm trying to do it again. I just told her the same thing.
okay, so they have
So
the
I'm
right.
going to still buy my stuff. And if you don't like it, then oh well.
Okay.
I'm going to buy my stuff. I'm going to buy the stuff I need to purchase. What are you talking about?
Okay. You said that you work in West Haven?
What are you talking about? I don't care about any of that. I'm trying to pull up my Walmart Pay. It wasn't working because of the Wi-Fi. I took my Wi-Fi off. That's what I try to explain to you. You're trying to be extra. I don't got time for that. So I'm going to ignore you. I'm going to buy my shit. If you don't like it, then oh well.
Portable 156. Can I get a unit to Walmart, please?
I'm going to buy my stuff. What are you talking about? Excuse you. Have a good day.
Okay. Okay.
If I don't you, you can
So
leave now.
listen, listen.
Thank you.
If you want to, that's going to be the way it's going to go.
I don't care how I go. I'm trying to buy my shit. You
Okay.
think I'm supposed to be scared because you're a cop?
Nope, you're not supposed to be
So
scared
I'm
of me
supposed
because
to, what, I gotta listen to you? You're a cop? What, are you going to kill me?
Actually,
You
no,
gonna
I'm
put your
not.
hands on me in Walmart? I think
Okay.
I care? First of all,
Okay.
you're within 6 feet of my space. Coronavirus, get the fuck out my face.
No.
How about that?
No.
Get the fuck out my
No.
face. I don't
Okay.
need your pepper
Listen.
spray.
Listen,
I don't need your pepper
I'm
spray.
about to because
You want pepper spray me because you're in my space.
no.
You're in my face.
No,
You're
no.
here in my space.
No.
Back the fuck up and give me my
Portable
space. Like, what are you
156. Can I
talking
get a
about?
unit to Walmart, please? No, we're not going to do that now.
Now you're going to back and get on my face. Like, what are you talking
Okay.
about? Don't touch me. Tell me right now. Don't touch me. I'm trying to buy my stuff. You want me to buy my
Okay.
stuff and my
Okay.
app's not working?
So
What are
listen.
you talking about? Get off my face.
No.
I'm telling you now. I'm telling you now. Get off my face.
I'm gonna find out.
So
I don't care. I just asked her to help me though. You just started acting crazy.
No,
ask
she
her to
didn't
help
start-
me. I don't
She
care
didn't
about
start-
a mask.
she
What are you
didn't start
talking about? Now
acting
you want a
crazy.
mask?
okay.
Now you're asking me about a mask.
She
I
started.
just told you my Wi-Fi wasn't working. She tried to help me.
Okay.
I made a mistake. I went right back. And now you're talking about a mask?
Okay.
Get the fuck out of my face.
No.
Come on. Don't touch me. I'm telling you right now. Don't touch me. Officer, don't touch me.
I'm about to spray you. I'm about.
You gonna spray me?
I
I'm
will
going
spray you.
outside.
No,
For
you're not.
what?
No, now
For
you're
what?
being detained.
Detained for what?
Okay.
Detained for what?
Because I have to identify you, and you're acting
Identify me
just.
for what? I have Walmart Pay. It did not work. I made a mistake and went right back to the register.
Okay,
While
no,
she's
you
raising her voice at me,
No.
I asked the girl to help me. Come on.
No.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Listen,
Officer, you're touching me.
I will spray you.
You're touching me. Stop touching me.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not. Stop touching me. I
Okay.
didn't do anything to you. Why are you touching me? Like, what is wrong with you?
Listen,
going
get
on
your
with
hands
you?
out of your pocket.
Officer, listen.
mistake. Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
Let me just
I'm gonna spray you in your eye. I'm gonna spray you directly in your eye.
Just stand up.
No. No. Stop.
Hold on, to wait my eye out. Why are y'all doing this?
Stop.
Why are y'all doing this?
Yo, he's on fault. He's on fault.
Hey, why are you doing this?
I'm fine. Screw yourself out.
Hold on a second. Wait.
Squeeze out.
Wait a second. My earpod. Chill out.
Release your AirPod now. Release your. I'm gonna tase you if you don't stop.
I don't have anything. I stopped already.
I got this.
Hey, what's wrong with y'all? A Wal-Mart pay didn't work and y'all bugging on me? A Wal-Mart pay? What's wrong with y'all? That's crazy.
All right.
Stop my earpods. Like this.
Stop with your.
I'm not moving.
Okay.
You are.
Hang on.
Here.
He's too wide. Hang on.
Stop.
What's wrong with y'all?
Where's his wrist?
Right here.
That's crazy. I went right back to the register.
Shirt's in the way.
Thank you.
I want a problem with y'all about my stuff. Damn, man. Where the guy at?
Thank you. Thank
Can
you,
you
folks.
stand me up, please? Just stand me up. Damn, dude, where you go? Why you acting like that? Can you get my earpod? Can you get my earpod, please?
In the car. Walk for it.
Dude, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Check his pockets. Hang tight.
Yo, get off me.
Stop. Stop.
No, I'm not. What the fuck just happened?
You gotta relax. Let go of your pants. Relax.
What the
Let
fuck
go of
just
your
happened?
fucking pants.
Like, seriously.
Let go of your pants. Let go of your pants. Let go of
I
your
can't let go. You got my hands.
Alright, no, you don't.
You have my hands.
Let
I don't
go.
have anything.
Alright, so. Hey,
Fuck,
come on, man.
I spit. Not spit. No, you got spit to the ground. Yo, get the fuck off.
Stop.
Get the fuck off me. Order me. Get off. Get off. Take this cuffs off. Take this cuffs off. What's wrong with you?
No.
Get in.
What's wrong with you? Why are you fighting me? Somebody just died. What's wrong with you?
in the car.
What's wrong with you?
The car.
What's wrong with you?
Get
Get in the car. Why are you hating me? Hey, why are you hating me? Somebody record this. Why are you hating me? I will get in the car, no problem.
Get in.
Sit in the car. All right, then
car.
turn and get in the car.
What's wrong with you?
Then gang again.
I can't. Y'all got me stuck here.
Okay.
Take a seat.
Everywhere. It's hanging.
I spent one place.
Get in
One
the
place.
car.
Alright.
You just mixed in my face over my Wal-Mart pay not working.
Get in the car.
I'm not getting no call you lieutenant. Call you lieutenant. That's crazy.
Supervisor's right behind you.
You fucking asshole.
I'm not being an asshole. You have to beat my ass.
Get in the car.
Like, damn, can you go on my phone? Wait, I got you. Let me help you. Can I help you?
Get your fucking.
I'm trying to. You have it. Wait a second. Officer, look at me. Wait. I'm trying to help you.
know what happened.
I'm trying to
I guess he tried to walk out, and he asked him for a receipt, and then he went back to pay, and then he gave all the fucking attitude I had.
Thank you. Yeah.
101.
No waterfall? Nope, this is it. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Thank you. Got him with a little OC, but
Did you get your canister?
no.
Hey, I got it. Ambulance coming to wash
Hi, Kenny.
Hey, buddy.
Kenny, walk this way. Hold up.